The is not equal to operator is responsible for comparing if two operands are not equal, and it returns true if so. As written here, given A is not equal to B, it returns true if and only if A is not equal to B. And this is the example we have. While 2 is not equal to 4, we know that it is true that 2 is not equal to 4. So the output is true. Example 2, 3, isn't it equal to 2 plus 1? We know that it is false because 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 and it is not equal to operator looks for inequality. And example 3, 2 plus 2 is not equal to 4 and the output is false because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And example 4, 5 star star 2 or 5 square is not equal to 10 and the output is true because 5 square is not equal to 10.